Hello my dear student, good now. Today we are going to see aptitude class 3rd, Little Scholar Public School, Nanded. Alpha numerical series. First question, C. Tick the right from answer option which comes in next problem set. So, see in that questions there are a series. Correct, there are a series. So in that series, which is the correct option, we have to choose from options. So now see in that series, see here, A after B is there, then B after C is there, then C after D is there. So it is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So what should be the fifth term? So that time always see first term and second term. Whichever similarity between these terms, that only we have to apply on next term. So see, here is A in first term, B is second term, C is in third term, D it is in fourth term. So A after B is there in second term. So B after C is there in third term. C after D is there, that is in fourth term. So now you tell me in D after which letter will come in alphabet D after? So that is E. Correct. D after E should become there. Correct. So now these are the alphabet. Now see here. Now next number, see, in a first term, see the next elements, means next term. So A after 2 is there, means if you add 1 in 1, then you will get 2. Correct. Then 2 after 3 is there. Again you are adding 1 in 2, then you will get 3. Then 3 after 4 is there. Then 4 after which number will become there? 4 after 5 should be there. Correct na? See, here whenever we are solving this series, that time see, here is A after B in second term, B after C in second term, C after D in second term. Okay, and C after E is there. Correct. And now 1, if we add 1 in 1, then you will get 2. Then if you add 1 in 2, then you will get 3. Then 3, if you add 1 in 3, then you will get 4. And then 4 after which number will come there? That is 5. So your fifth series, means fifth term is E5. E5. So C in option, where is E5? Yes. So C option is correct. E5. Now see the next question. In that question, when we are solving, see the first term and second term, whatever similarity between first and second term, that only we have to apply on next term. So there are given a fourth term, we have to find out fifth term. So let's see student. See here is a 41. Correct. Then in a second term there is a 42. Then in a third term there is a 43, and in a fourth term there is a 44. So have you observed student, here is a 41, here is a 42, here is a 43, here is a 44. So these are the continuous numbers. Correct. So if you add 1 in 41, then you will get 42. If you add 1 in 42, then you will get 43. If you add 1 in 43, then you will get 44. And then 44 after which number will become then? 44 after? Yes, that is 45. Correct. 45. So if you add 1 in 44, then you will get 45. 45 it is a fifth term. Correct. Now 45 after, see there in first term, A after B is there. Then B after C is there. Then C after D is there. So these alphabets are a what? Continuous. Correct. These alphabets are a continuous. Correct. So A after B is there in second term, then B after C is there in third term, then C after D is there in fourth term. So what should become then 45 after? D after E should be there. Correct now. So 45 after E should be there. Now see in option, where is 45E? Yes, so that is D option. So 45E is your answer. Now see the third question. So in that third question, first see the number. See, in a first, it is second, it is third, and it is fourth. Now we have to find out the fifth term. So now see student, here it is a 9. 9 is there, then 8 in a second term, 7 it is in third term, and 6 it is in fourth term. So have you observed student that numbers are decreasing by what? Ones. Okay, so if you 1 subtract from 9, then you will get 8. 8 it is in second term. So 9 before which number will come? That is 7. 7 before which number will come? That is 6. And 6 before which number will come in fifth term? So that is 5. Correct. 6 before 5 should be there. And now see that overs. Now number is over. It is decreasing by 1 only. Correct. So 9 before 8, 8 before 7, 7 before 6, 6 before 5. Now this is over. Now see the alphabets. So in a first term there is a Z. Now Z before Y, Y before X, X before W. Then W before which alphabet will come then in fifth term? Yes, that is V. Correct. W before V should be there. So what is the fifth term then? V5. V5 is a fifth term. So V5 is a fifth term, dear student. Then see here in a option, where is a V5? Yes, A option. So A option is correct. A option is correct. See in a fourth question. So when we are solving, first see the number and then see the alphabet. So see in that question, it is the first term, it is second, it is third, and it is fourth. Now we have to find out the fifth terms. So when we are solving the series, that time we are always seeing the first and second term. Whatever similarity between these two terms, that only we have to apply on fifth terms. Now dear students, see here. Now here see, it is the 11, it is in first term, then 22 it is in second term, then 33 it is in third term, and 44 it is in fourth term. Correct. So now you observe student, 11 if you subtract, okay, if you add 11 in 11, then you will get 22. Then if you add 11 in 22, then you will get 33. If you add 11 in 33, then you will get 44. So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, and 11 fours are 44. So these are the 11 tables. See, these are the 11 tables. So now after 44, which number will become in fourth term then? Yes, that is 55. 11, then 22, then 33, then 44. 44 after there is in fifth term 55. Correct. Now if you add 11 in 44, then you will get 55. So now here see, now you saw the numbers, now see the alphabets. So we see in first term A is there, then in second term B is there, then in third term C is there, then in fourth term D is there. So now these are the continue numbers. These are the continue alphabet. A after B is there, then B after C, then C after D. Then now you tell me D after which letter will come in alphabet? So that is E. That is E. Correct. C 44 after 55 and then D after E should be there. So what is the fifth term then? E 55. So now see in option, where is E 55? So that is D option. Now see the fifth question. So see in fifth question, first we will see the number, then we will see the alphabet. So see in first term there is a 1, in second term there is a 3. Then here is a 5 and here is a 7. So have you observed student, in first term there is a 1, in second term there is a 3 and in a fourth term there is a in a third term there is a 5 and in fourth term there is a 7. So what is the difference between first and second term? Yes, second term it is increasing by 2. If you add 2 in 1, then you will get 3. Then if you add 2 in 3, then you will get 5. Then if you add 2 in 5, then you will get 7. Correct, like that only. If you add 2 in 7, then what you will get? So that is 9. 7 plus 2, that is 9. Correct. Now you saw in a fifth term there should be a 9. So now see the alphabet. So now you tell me student, A after C will come? No, because A after B should be there, but here on a second term they are given a C. So that means one alphabet dropped between A and C. Correct, like that only, one alphabet dropped between C and E. So that is D. Here drop B and here drop D. Correct. Here AC between B drop, then CE between D drop. So like that only, EG between F drop, means one alphabet drop. So now here, then G after which alphabet will come? So that is H. Then H drop, then after H which alphabet will come then? So that is I. So 9 after I should be there. So your answer is 9I. So see in option, where is a 9I? So that is a C option. So C option is correct. Now see the sixth term. In a sixth term, first we will see the numbers and then we will see the alphabets. So now see here. Here is a 33. 33 after there is a 44 in second term. Then 44 after there is a 55. Then 55 after there is a 66. So have you observed student that number it is increasing by which numbers? First and second number. So that is increasing by 11. If you add 11 in 33, then you will get 44 in second term. Correct. If you add 11 in 44, then you will get 55. If you add 11 in 55, then you will get 66. Correct. So now you tell me, after 66, if you add 11 in 66, then what should be their answer in fifth term? Yes. So if you add 11 then 66, then you will get 77. Correct. You will get 77. Then 77. After this number, see the alphabet now. So P after there is a Q, then Q after there is a R, then R after there is a S, then S after which alphabet should be come in fifth term? Yes, S after T should be there. Correct now? P, Q, R, S, T. So see in first term there is a P, Q it is in second, R it is in third, S it is in fourth. So S after T should be there in fifth term. So now see what is the answer then? 77T. So now 77T where is in option? That is B option. So B option is correct. Now see the seventh question. See in that seventh question, dear student, first we will see the number and then we will see the alphabet. Now see here, 10, and then there is a 20 in second term. 30 it is in third term, and 40 it is in fourth term. Then we have to find out fifth term. So dear student, see here is a 10 in a first term and 20 it is in second term. 20, if you add 10 in 10, then you will get 20. Then if you add 10 in 20, then you will get 30. Correct. Then if you add 10 in 30, then you will get 40. So that only rules we have to apply on fifth term also. If you add 10 in 44, then you will get 50. Correct. And it is like that also. It is the 10 tables also. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 threes are 40. Then 10 fives are what? 50. So in a fifth term there should be a 50. 50, 50. So now see the alphabet. See here. B it is in first, C it is in second, D it is in third, and E it is in fourth. So now have you observed, student? These are the continue alphabet. Correct. These are the continue alphabet. So B after there is a C, then C after there is a D, D after there is a A, E, then E after what should be then in fifth term? E after there will be a F. There will be a F. So our answer is F50. Sorry. So here F should become in after 50. It should become after 50. So your answer is 50F. Your answer is 50F. Now see the 8th question. So in that 8th question, first we will see the number, then afterward we will see the alphabet. So see, in a first term there is a 2, then in a second 4, then it is in third 6, and then 8 it is in fourth term. Now we have to find fifth term. So have you observed, student, what is it? Is the 2's table. Correct na? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, then 2 fives are what? 2 fives are 10. Correct. 2 fives are 10. So in a fifth term there should be a 10. Correct. It is a 10. It will means it is a 2's table. Then 8 after in 2's table, 10 should be there. And again, if you add 2 in 2, then you will get 4. If you add 2 in 4, then you will get 6. Like that only. If you add 2 in 6, then you will get 8. If you add 2 in 8, then you will get 10. So now you got 10 in fifth term. So now see the alphabet. A after B is there, B after C is there, C after D is there. Then D after which number, means which alphabet will come? Yes, D after E should be there in fifth term. So your answer is 10E. So C in option. 10 is where? 10E, it is in C option. Understood? Now let's see the task sheet 3, classification objects. Okay, so see the object. What is the classification? Making a group of different objects. Making a group of different objects based on their common properties. Based on their common properties is called classification. Is called classification. In this task, out of the given items, one is different from the others. One is different from the others. So this difference or odd item has been identified from each list. So we have to find out odd items from their object or their classification or their given anything. Correct. So now see how we will find out odd one from given. So see, there is an example. Find the odd one. Find the odd one. See, first question means first there is a given numbers, means things are given. So in that things, which is the odd? Odd means difference. Which is having a different properties from another things. So see, in that first is a table, then it is a chair, then it is a stool, then bench, and fifth one is television. So have you observed, student, in that things there are 5 things given. So in that things which has same properties, but one it is a different properties from their things. Okay, so see here, table, chair, stool, bench, and television is there. So in that things, so see, tables, chair, tools, and bench, these are furnitures. These are the furnitures. These 4 things are the furniture which is made by wood. So television, it is a odd one. Television, it is having a different properties from these 4 things. Correct now? So television has a different properties from these things. So television, it is a odd one. Okay. So your answer is television. Understood? See again here, table, chair, stool, bench, these are the furniture, and television, it is the odd things from these things. So television is your answer. So now see, in first question, take the odd one out in each series. So see, in that series, first question is, in that first question there are given things, there are given vegetables. So see, in that things, which is the odd one, that only we have to find out. So here, first thing is a potato, then is a spinach, then it is a mango, then cauliflower, and then brinjal. So have you observed, student, potato is a vegetables, spinach it is also a vegetables only, cauliflower it is also a vegetables, and brinjal also a vegetables. But have you observed, student, mango it is a vegetables? Mango it is a vegetables? No, mango it is not a vegetables. Means these 4 things are vegetables. But mango it is not a vegetables. Means it is a odd one. Means it is a different from their 4 properties. See, it is different from mango. It is a different from their other properties. So mango it is a fruits. So mango it is a odd one. So your answer is mango. See, in that vegetables, correct, these all are the vegetables, but mango it is a fruit. So that's why your odd one means your answer is mango. Correct. These all are vegetables, but mango it is a fruit. Now see the second question. First thing it is car, second is jeep, third is truck, fourth is bus, and fifth is ship. So have you observed, student, car, jeep, truck, bus are moving on road. Correct now? Car, jeep, truck, bus, these 4 things are moving on road. Correct. But ship it is moving on rivers. Correct. It is moving on rivers. So which properties means which functions has same? So car, jeep, truck, bus having a same function, but ship it is having a different function from these 4 function. So ship it is moving on river, and this car, jeep, truck, bus are moving on road. So that's why ship it is having another function or another properties. So that's why ship is a odd one. Correct, it is a odd one. So sheep is your answer. Now see in third question. See, first thing is it is a shoes, then pencil, then scale, then eraser, then pen. Correct. So see, pencil, scale, eraser and pens. These are the stationery. Pencil, scale, eraser, pen. These are the stationery. Means these four things we are using in school. Correct now, when we have to drawing, when we have to write, when we have to erase. Okay, that time you are using a pencil, scale, eraser, pen. Okay, but when we are writing, we need a shoes. No, correct now. So shoes, it is not a stationery. Means when we are writing, that time we are not using a shoes. Correct. So that's why shoes, it is a odd option. Means shoes, it is a odd one. Why? Because shoes, it is having a different functions, and these pencils, scale, eraser, pens we are using when we are writing. Correct now. So pencil, scale, eraser, pen, it is a stationery, and shoes, it is having a different function. So that's why shoes is a odd. Now see the fourth question. In that fourth question, first is a mobile, then iPad, then hockey, then calculator and then computer. So have you observed student, mobiles, iPod, calculator and computer. These are the machines. These are the machines. Mobile, iPad, calculator, computer. These four things are machines. But hockey, it is in machine. Yes, it is a machine. Hockey, it is a machine. No, hockey, it is not a machine. So that's why in a five things, hockey, it is a odd option. Means it is a odd things from these four things. Correct now. So hockey, it is a odd one. Hockey, it is a odd one. Mobile, iPad, calculator, computer, these are having a same function, but hockey, it is not having a same properties as compared as these four things. So that's why your answer is hockey. So now see in fifth question. See, first thing is a pizza. First thing is a pizza, then chow mein, then burger, then magazine, then sandwich. So have you observed students, these are the five things, but pizza, chow mein, okay, chow mein, then burger and sandwich. These four things are what? Fast food. Correct. Pizza, chow mein, burger and sandwich. These are the fast food. These foods means these things we are eating. Correct. But can we are eating magazine? No, we are not eating a magazine. Magazine, it is like a books. Magazine, it is like a books. We are reading. Correct now. But not we are not eating magazine. So that's why odd function it is. Who has odd function then? Who has odd features? That is the magazine. So your answer is magazine. Magazine, it is a odd one. Correct. So your answer is magazine. So now see in sixth question. First thing is a CD, then fourth is floppy, then third is mouse, and fourth is keyboard, and there is a tables. So CD, floppy, mouse, keyboard. These are the what? These are also a machine. These are also a machine. But when we are using a computer, so that time we are using a CD, floppy, mouse, keyboard. So these CD, floppy, mouse, these are the machines, or that is the what? That is the things of computers. Correct now. But table, it is a made by wood. Table, it is a made by wood. So which functions having a mouse, floppy and keyboard? It is this CD, floppy, mouse, keyboard. It is related to computer, it is related to computer, but table it is not related to computer. Table it is made by wood, and it is not a table, it is not a machine. So that's why your odd one is what? Table. Your odd one is what? Tables. Because CD, floppy, mouse, keyboard, it is related by computer, but table it is not related by computers, or it is not a machine. That's why your answer is table. Then see seventh one question. First thing is a shirt, third is a trouser, then fourth is a vest, third is a vest, fourth is it is a chair, and fifth one it is a socks. So have you observed students? Shirt also we are wearing, trouser also we are wearing, vest also we are wearing, and socks also we are wearing. But can we wear a chair? We are wearing chair? No. When we are using a chair, when we have when we want to when we need to sit, that time we are using a chair. Correct now. So chair it is made by wood. So when you are when we are wearing a shirt, trouser, vest, socks, but chair we are not wearing. When we need chairs, when we want to sit, that time we need a chair. So your answer is chair. Okay. So now see eighth one question. Eighth one in first thing is, see first thing is a onion, second is a apple, third is a grapes, fourth is a mango, fifth is a peach. So dear student, have you observed apple, grapes, mango and peach? These four things are what? Fruits. Apple, grapes, mango, peach. These four things are fruits. But onion it is a vegetables. Onion it is a vegetables. So that's why your answer is onion. Because onion it is a vegetables, and these four things it is a fruit. So onion it is a odd one from these four things. Correct. Now see the ninth one. So first is a book, then pamphlet, then pen, then newspaper, magazine. So have you observed students? When we are reading, so books also we are reading, pamphlet also we are reading, newspaper also we are reading, magazine also we are reading. Correct. So these four things we are reading. Books also we are reading, pamphlet also, newspaper also, and magazine also. But pen, when we need to write, that time only we are using a pen. Okay. Pen, when we use pen, when we are writing anything like a poem. Okay. So that time we are using a pen. For writing we are using a pen. But for reading we are using a books, pamphlet, newspaper, magazine. So that's why pen it is a odd options. Correct. So pen, when we are when we are writing, that time we are using a pen. So see the 10th question. It is a bear, lion, tiger, cat, and then ostrich. So have you observed student? Bear, lion, tiger, cat. These are the animals. Bear, lion, tiger, cat. These four things are animals. These four things are animals. But ostrich it is a what? Ostrich it is a bird. So see in that picture. See here is a ostrich. So ostrich it is a bird. Correct now. And bear, lion, tiger, cat. These are the animal. These all are animals. And ostrich it is a bird. So that's why your answer is ostrich. Because ostrich it is a different one from that four things.